Hi guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how you can trade volatility 75 index and step index on the lower time frames. We'll be looking at V75 first. Before we go to the lower time frames, let's look at what has happened on the higher time frames. On this very daily time frame, I have V75 index showing me that price was initially bullish, okay, but we now have a retracement. Okay, look at this retracement. Okay, so it's a retracement because I was expecting the momentum to be somehow, I was expecting a higher momentum, but it's as if the momentum is really slow. Okay, and the way I'm looking at it, it's like the bullish trend might likely continue. Okay, so we might likely be seeing something like this, and price will somehow go up, but price needs to break this descending trend line before it goes up. Where are the places that we have other blocks as price attempts to go up? Okay, we have this other block here that might serve as resistance. This might serve as resistance, and as price attempts to go up, we also have another other block around here that might also serve as resistance. Okay, now let's zoom in on the daily. Let's look at what's going on. You can see that today's candle is a recovery candle trying to engulf yesterday's candle, and you can see what has happened. Price dipped up to this point, retraced and dipped again, okay, up to this point. Okay, and we are currently seeing that the buyers are trying to push price. If the buyers can push price above yesterday's high, and if we can close above yesterday's high, I'm talking about this high, then we can see price recovery to the previous highs around here. But that's that. But it's still a downtrend on the daily time frame. Still a downtrend unless this descending trend line is broken. If this descending trend line is broken, if it gets broken, we might see price recovery to test the other blocks I mentioned earlier. Okay, that's that for the daily time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Volatility 75 index. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we have a low around here. We can see that we have a low around here, okay, and we have a lower low. This is a lower low, and this particular low is lower than the previous lows, okay, and then we have the current lower low, okay. And now this is a lower low in the sense that we have a tweezer bottom around here, where this particular bearish candle is being completely reversed by this bullish candle, and price, as you can see, price is rising. It's currently at this particular area. A break of this area, a break of this high, we'll see price getting to this high before price gets to this high, okay, and then we might start to see some level of recovery. Okay, so that's that on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, in as much as this descending trend line holds, okay, if it holds, as in if price gets to this point and descend, then we can see the bearish trend is still gonna continue. But if it breaks, then we might have like a double bottom, then we have a break of this neckline, and then we have a test of this high, and then we'll say we have a reversal of the retracement, because on the daily time frame this is still a retracement. This down move is a retracement of this down move is a retracement of this particular up move. Okay, so in as much as price didn't really come down, we can't call it a reversal, but we can call it a retracement. So let's look at the 1 hour time frame. A quick look at the 1 hour time frame. We can see this descending trend line being broken around here. Okay, got broken on the 1 hour time frame around here, where we have a change of character. We have a change of character where this neckline, this particular neckline was broken. You can see the neckline being broken. Okay, we have like let's call it a triple bottom. We have a triple bottom, like a tree drive pattern. This is the first bottom. This is the second bottom. This is the third bottom. Before we had the break of the descending trend line, and then you can see price recovery. Okay, price has gotten to this area where we have the price broke this high. We had the break of structure of this very high. Had the break of structure of this very high. Now price is testing the next high. If this high gets broken, price will get to the next high. But let's see how it goes. If because currently it's still a retracement. It's a retracement right now. Let's see if the retracement will end up as a reversal. Only time will tell. Okay, moving on, let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, we can see inverted head and shoulder on the screen. Inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, and you can see the neckline got broken. The neckline got broken. You know, it got broken. We had a retest, and the price is going up. Okay, and for now, price will continue to go up if this ascending trend line is respected. Okay, so in as much as it's going up, we will retrace and test this ascending trend line around it and continue. Okay, it will keep going up only if the ascending trend line is respected. The moment the ascending trend line gets broken, price will go back to the bottom, and then the trend, the overall bearish trend might continue. Okay, but for now, price is going up. So you might want to look for buying opportunities. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see the buyers stepping in. It's clear that the buyers are in charge, the buyers are in control, and they are trying to push price up. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame, it's also clear that the buyers are in charge. We continue to have higher high, higher low. So we have higher high, like this higher high. This is a high. This is a low. Okay, this is a low. This is a higher high. Okay, and this higher low. This low is this particular low. This particular low is higher than this low. Okay, and then we now have a higher high. So that's the bullish structure. Okay, if the higher high goes further up, we might see higher low. Then if the structure, very bullish structure, is continuous, to see higher high. Okay, so for every higher high, you always see higher low on the 15 minutes time, on the 5 minutes time frame from now until we have a change of character where price dips and then continues downtrend. Looking at the 1 minute time frame, look at price continues to go up. Okay, on the 1 minute time frame, you can see a range, like an equilibrium around here. So you might need to watch for the breakout of this range. Okay, if we break to the upside, we might continue to have a higher high on the 5 minutes. But if it breaks down to the downside, we might be heading for the price might be heading for the higher low. Okay, but if the bullish structure continues after the higher low, we have another higher high. So look for buying opportunities for now on volatility 75 index. You might wait for the higher low to be formed before you place your buy trade, or you wait after the higher low is formed. As it breaks out of this higher high, you enter your buy trade. Okay, looking at the 5 minutes, it's quite obvious higher low, so you have to strategize how you place your entry, your buy entry. But the moment this trend line is broken, okay, you start looking for selling opportunities. Okay, if it's broken around here, start selling. You can sell up to this point, and you can sell up to this point. Okay, those are the other blocks. All right, so that's that for volatility 75 index. Let's look at step index on the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame of step index. We can see on the daily time frame, we can see a can we call this double top? This is the first top, this is the second top. Okay, or we can call it head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. This is the right shoulder. Okay, the structure is like we have a reversal happening around here, or a retracement happening of this bullish move. Okay, of this very bullish move. Okay, where we have this low, high, higher low, higher high. We might be seeing higher low somewhere here before price registers a higher high, but we might be wrong. Price could just come back to where it started. Okay, so that's that on the daily time frame. Let's look at the 4 hour time frame step index. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, you can see price was initially going up until we had a break of had a change of character. Okay, change of character where it was confirmed that price is going down. Okay, so you might look for selling opportunities. But now it's the 4 hour time frame. Might be a long time sell. Okay, looking at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame shows a downtrend where you continue to have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Like this is lower low. Okay, these are highs, high, then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We have another lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, this higher high, higher low. But this is a range on the 1 hour time frame. We have a range. Okay, where the buyers and the sellers are happy with one another until we have a range breakout. The range breakout might happen here, or might just come here and descend. Okay, so that's that on the 1 hour time frame. Let's look at the 30 minutes time frame. There's something we can see. 30 minutes time frame, you can see this bottom. You can see this bottom, and we can see this bottom. Okay, this is higher, this low is higher than this low. Okay, but it's still a range. Okay, still a range. Okay, if we now see a breakout of this neckline, okay, a break of this neckline can target first this high, then secondly this high, then we might see a recovery to the upside. Okay, but if price drops and breaks the low around here, if it drops and breaks this low, then we might see continuation of the downtrend. Okay, that's that on the 30 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame, price is ranging up for step index. Step index price is ranging up. It's ranging up. It's ranging up. Okay, it's ranging up. So we need to break this high for us to confirm that price will go higher, and we need to drop. Price needs to drop below this ascending trend line for us to confirm that price is going to come down. Okay, so but price is ranging on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, do we have anything? It's still ranging. Look at range bottom. This is range bottom. This is the range bottom. Okay, and this is the range top. Okay, so a break of this range will tell us where price is headed. That's 5 minutes time frame. 1 minute time frame, still ranging. Look at price is ranging on the 1 minute time frame. So wait for a range breakout on step index before you take a decision. And if you are a range trader, you could just place your buy limit at the range low and your sell limit at the range high, and try to scalp and make some profit. Okay, so that's that for this particular video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and like the video. Also drop comment below the video, ask question. Try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can also click the bell button below the video so that you'll be notified when we send out the next video. You can visit our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade volatility index. You can also visit another website of ours, fxtraderbooks.com, to learn more on how to trade VIX. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.